This is release question 111 for CAHSEE Math. It says Juanita exercised for 1 hour. How many seconds did Juanita exercise? So 1 hour of exercise. 1 hour is the same thing. We need to change our units. We need to get the units to be seconds instead of hours. So I want to show you how that's done just in general. So if you want to make this a fraction, anything you can make a fraction by putting it over 1. I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I'm going to multiply this by something that is equal to itself, top to bottom. 60 minutes is the same as 1 hour. This is like multiplying by 1. So let's write that down under here. This is like multiplying by 1, since 60 minutes is the same thing as 1 hour. So it's okay to multiply something by 1. You're not going to change the number that way. In this case, we're just changing the way the number looks. We're changing the format or the form of the number. And so this, if I'm going to multiply by something in seconds, I want seconds instead of minutes. I'm going to have 60 seconds is the same thing as 1 minute. So I would say the same thing applies right here. So let's circle that, connect that to there too. And now why have I done this? Well, hours is going to cancel out. Minutes is going to cancel out because they are, notice I put hours on the bottom here because it was on the top here. Notice I put minutes on the bottom here because it was on the top here. That way they're going to cancel out. I'm left with seconds, and I'm left with 1 times 60 times 60. That's 3,600. And then I just have 1 times 1 times 1, and I have seconds on the top here. So 3,600 seconds. That is my final answer. That is choice D.